Dear students, welcome to the chapter of data handling. This particular chapter talks about the numbers, a representation of the numbers in the form of tabular columns, bar charts, pie charts, and various other methods of representation of the data in a figurative form. Let us first understand the simple idea of numbers 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 12. These are the numbers given to us, and these numbers, supposing we have these numbers, then mean of these numbers is equal to addition of all the numbers, that is 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 divided by n, where n represents the number of elements present here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, this is equal to 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 10, 31, 31 plus 12, 33. This is 33 divided by 6. This is equal to 6 5 is a 30, 0.10 again 5. Therefore, mean of the given mean is equal to 5.5. This is one simple concept with respect to the data handling, and median is nothing but the middlemost entry when the given data are written in either descending order or in ascending order. Supposing we take some numbers 2, 10, 5, 7, 9, something like this. Let us write them in ascending order. Ascending order of the numbers, that is 2, then we write 5, then we write 7, then we write 9, and finally we write 10. Here, middle one, we call it as median. This is our median. That means when odd number of scores are there, we will be able to find the most middle one. That's not a problem. But what if the scores given are even in numbers? Let us take an example. Suppose 2, 3, 5, 9, 7, 8. Now they are 6. So even numbers are there. Let us first write the ascending order. The ascending order is 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Now its ascending order is ready. Now its median is equal to, take the middle 2 entries, on left side there are 2, on the right side there are 2, leave aside. and take these two and find their mean. That becomes our median. That is 5 plus 7 divided by 2. This gives us 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. Therefore, the median of the above data is equal to 6. Similarly, when a data is given like this 2, 3, 4, 9, 4, 6, 14, 4. Now, which number is getting repeated? 4 is repeated thrice. The number which repeats maximum in a given data is called as the mode of the data. Mode of the data. Suppose one more, say 6 is there. So 6 and 6, both of these two are, again 6 is repeated. Therefore, such kind of data will be known as multimodal data. This is an important concept with respect to various data. This kind of discussions will take place in this chapter. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video.